Hello! Tech Insights has just wrapped up the exclusive Huawei Pura 70 Ultra teardown video, and now we are turning our focus to the new Vivo X Fold 3 Pro foldable smartphone. Announced in March and released in April, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is said to be the thinnest foldable smartphone currently on the market. The durability and light body weight is due to the Vivo Armor architecture, a hardware-designed set of features which includes using a carbon fiber material for the phone's hinge. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro phone hinge has been certified by independent inspector TÜV Rheinland to withstand 500,000 open and closings. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro comes in two color options, Celestial Black and White, with a suggested retail price starting at $2,000. Log into your Tech Insights account to get the latest updates and watch the full unboxing and teardown of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro.